Hello, AutoExpert viewers. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Volkswagen Caddy, a vehicle that seamlessly blends practicality with modern innovation. Whether you're a family seeking space and comfort or a business in need of a reliable transporter, the 2025 Caddy has something to offer. The 2025 Caddy showcases a modern and dynamic design, featuring a striking front with clear lines, a honeycomb-structured grille, and sleek LED headlights. The rear sliding doors and redesigned style lights enhance both functionality and style. Standard black roof rails add a touch of ruggedness, readying the Caddy for both urban adventures and long journeys. Inside, the Caddy offers a spacious and versatile cabin. With seating configurations for up to 7 passengers, the interior can be adapted to meet various needs. High-quality materials and a modern layout create a comfortable environment, while ample storage compartments add to its practicality. The Caddy is equipped with advanced technology to keep you connected and entertained. A user-friendly infotainment system features a touchscreen display supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless integration with your devices. Optional features include a premium sound system and advanced navigation, catering to tech-savvy drivers. Under the hood, the 2025 Caddy offers a range of efficient engines. The 2.0-liter TDI diesel engine delivers 102 horsepower and 250 Nm of torque, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. This setup provides a smooth driving experience suitable for both city commuting and long-distance travel. The vehicle's impressive fuel economy allows drivers to save on fuel costs while enjoying a powerful ride. Safety is a top priority for Volkswagen, and the 2025 Caddy reflects this commitment. It comes equipped with advanced safety features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The vehicle has received a 5-star safety rating from Euro NCAP, ensuring that occupants are well protected in various driving conditions. The Caddy excels in practicality, offering a generous cargo space of up to 3,000 liters, with the rear seats folded. This makes it ideal for transporting goods, luggage, or equipment, catering to both family and business needs. The vehicle's design ensures easy loading and unloading, enhancing its functionality. The 2025 Volkswagen Caddy is available in various trims and configurations to suit different preferences and requirements. Pricing starts from $40,990 for the Cargo TSI 220 variant and goes up to $64,090 for the California TDI 320 model. These prices may vary based on selected options and regional factors. The 2025 Volkswagen Caddy stands out as a versatile and innovative vehicle, adept at meeting the demands of both families and businesses. Its combination of modern design, advanced technology, efficient performance, and robust safety features makes it a compelling choice in the compact van segment. For a more in-depth look, check out our detailed review linked below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates from the AutoExpert.